Assalamu alaikum dear students. Students, we are going to continue with the chapter, and today we are going to see the general methods for the preparation. Today we are going to see the preparation of the alcohols. Alcohols can be prepared by the several methods. बहुत सारे different methods से alcohol बन सकता है, and we are going to see one by one. Number one from alkenes. Alkenes में से कैसे बनेगा? Number one by hydration. So by hydration, first of all, you are having the alkene in the acidic medium. The bond is going to cleave, and you are going to have one hydrogen attached over here, and your one carbon will be positively charged. It means that when the breaking is taking place, it is not the homolysis, it is heterolysis. Heterolysis means one carbon will be positive, one will be negative. Means this carbon will be negative, and that is why this carbon will be positive. Next, water. Water is going to come into two parts, that is H and OH. That is how OH is minus, so it is going to attach it over here, but not that particularly. We are going to take the water molecule completely over here. That is what we are able to see, water. This hydrogen is going to lose it over the electron and going to come out as a H minus H plus ion, and your OH can be attached over here. Similarly, you can go with the use of sulfuric acid over here, as we say H plus ion over here. So that is the sulfuric acid. You can have the preparations over here, that is primary alcohol, secondary alcohol, and tertiary alcohol. With a different kind of the alkenes, you can go with the use with. By the hydrolysis of alkyl halide, second preparation, alkyl halide and NaOH. So Na and Br will be removed out and OH will be attached over here, and that is how you can go for gaining. Also you can go for taking AgOH, silver hydroxide. You can also take not only sodium hydroxide but silver hydroxide also. So you can go with the use of this. Reduction of the aldehydes and ketones. Reduction of the aldehydes and ketones can also give the preparation of the alcohol. Catalytic reduction, it means you have to use the catalyst. Catalyst like a nickel. Nickel in the presence of hydrogen. You are having your H over here, so it will be reduced from that particular. It is like this. RC double bond OH. So what is happening over here? This is going to break down, and there are two hydrogens. So one will be attached on the other sides. That is how you are getting RCH2OH. So that is how the compound is formed. This is from aldehyde. This is from ketone. Ketone is also going to have the same thing. CH3, C double bond O, CH3. So what is going to happen? This bond is going to break, and these two hydrogen, one will be attached on downside, one will be attached with the O. That is how you are getting the secondary alcohol. What does it simply mean? अगर आप aldehyde लेते हो तो प्राइमरी अल्कोहल मिलेगा, अगर आप कीटोन लेते हो तो सेकेंडरी अल्कोहल मिलेगा. That is fixed one. Next, you can go with the use of lithium aluminium hydride. Lithium aluminium hydride के पास 4 hydrogens are there, which you can go with the use of it over here, out of which the 2 can be used over here. This bond will be cleaved, one hydrogen and one hydrogen. It's replaced over here, and you can go for having the particular alcohol. This is your secondary alcohol, and you are also having the double bonded compound you can take, and it is aldehyde, so you will be getting primary alcohol. You have to just remember that when you take the aldehyde, you will get the primary alcohol, and when you take the ketone, you will get the secondary alcohol. That is how it is given over here. Also, you can go with the use of NaBH4, sodium borohydride. Reduction by the carboxylic acid. This one carboxylic acid का भी reduction कर सकते हैं. Herein we go for knowing that there is double bond again, RC double bond OH. So that is what it is going to take place over here. This particular oxygen will be removed. 4 times hydrogen. So what it is going to do? 2 hydrogen will take this oxygen and form water molecule. This is the water molecule removed. So what will be 2 more hydrogens are there? that is going to join to this carbon, resulting into CH2. So that is how the compound formation takes place. By the reduction of the carboxylic acid, that is what we have seen. In order to reduce the carboxylic acid to an alcohol, the carboxylic acid is first converted into the reduced catalytically by hydrogen to yield the alcohol. So dear student, alcohol can also be converted into ester. This is ester, and further reduction can go for giving you the primary alcohol. This is also a type of the reaction from the Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent क्या था? RMgX. RMgX. Your R can be joined over there with one of the carbonyl side, and your OMgX will be resulting it over here. Finally, with the acidic medium, you can have OH and R on the either side. That is the preparation with the help of the Grignard reagent. This is the mechanism. This is what you go for having the formaldehyde, that is ethanol. RMgX, R is going to attack it over here. This bond is going to break. So your MgBr will be attached with your oxygen because your oxygen is negatively charged. Why it is negatively charged? The arrow shows that it takes the electron, and that is why your carbon is positively charged, and your R is going to attach with your carbon directly. Now in the last step, MgBr will be lost because we are using the water. So MgBr will be given out, and you will be having the H placed over here. So you can again go for having the primary alcohol. The same type of the mechanism is shown for the secondary alcohol. So that is how you can go with the use of Grignard reagent. Grignard reagent again, that is used with the ketone. So now with the ketone you are getting the, as your ketone, the carbon is over there with two of the more carbon. So it is getting tertiary alcohol. That is what you have to remember. You have to select the material such a time as the type of the product you want. It may be primary, secondary, tertiary. Independently, you have to use your aldehyde, ketones, and so on. Physical properties of the alcohol. The introduction of the alkyne, the introduction of the hydroxyl group in the hydrocarbon brings about a marked change in the physical properties like melting and boiling point and solubility. First of all, melting point. First of all, the boiling point. The boiling point and the melting point of the alcohol shows the increase with the increase in the number of the carbon. Dear student, जितना छोटा आपका अल्कोहल है, मतलब कि जितने कम कार्बन है, उतना उसका मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, बॉइलिंग पॉइंट कम. जितनी कार्बन की चेन बढ़ती जाएगी, उतना ज्यादा उसका मेल्टिंग एंड बॉइलिंग पॉइंट. Here it is given it over there. Here you are having only CH3, so it is having 337. As you go for having two carbons, it is increasing, that is 351. So as soon as the carbon goes on increasing, that much amount will be increased over here. But remember, if there is more branching, then it will decrease. Branchings are going to have the less melting and boiling point. Here you are able to see the compound with the molecular weight. Molecular weight is given. Molecular weight जितना बढ़ेगा, उतना उसका melting point, boiling point भी बढ़ेगा. That is how it is located. Solubility. Alcohols are soluble in water. Why alcohols are soluble in water? Because they go for having hydrogen bonding. They are able to form the hydrogen bonding. Your OH, partially negative, partially positive, can go for making the bond with the water. Water is also having partial to negative charge and partial positive charge. So it is, as it is able to go for making the hydrogen bonding, it is able to be soluble in alcohol. The solubility of the alcohol decreases in the water as the alkyne chain increases with the length. जितनी कार्बन की चेन बढ़ती जाएगी, उतना अल्कोहल कम डिसॉल्व होगा. इट मींस कि अगर आपका कार्बन की चेन छोटी है, तो अल्कोहल is soluble in all the proportion. But if the alcohol, the chain, carbon chain is increasing, it will be very difficult for you to get it solubilized. Chemical properties of the alcohol. There are some chemical properties of the alcohol we are going to do in our next video.